Alright, the snow is coming down now. As you can see, we don't have some more snow coming in now. Now the banding is starting to happen. So we should be able to get hit with some good snows now. As you can see, it's really coming down. It's getting near a whiteout. We're going to the Parkway overpass. I got a bag over the camera. Check the camera because the snow is just getting in everything. Look at that though, huh? Alright, the Parkway is what it looks like, man. Almost a complete whiteout now. I got a bag over the panel. Let's get this bag out of the way. Yeah, we have almost a whiteout now. It's pretty heavy snow. Alright, as you can see, conditions have definitely taken a real turn for the worse now. You can't even see the bridge over there. Look how heavy the snow is. Look at that. We're in a whiteout right now. Now this is what the blizzard warning is for.